where this begins. Thank you for letting me in. I never had to pretend. You've always known who I am, and I know my life is better because you're a part of it. I know without you by my side that I would be different. Thank you for all of your trust. Thank you for holding my hand. I'm thankful for the time I spent with my best friend.